Bee swarm. David, go see in Pine Tree if that guy's macroing.
Okay.
Can you spawn guy in Pine Tree macroing?
Oh, there's only a planter there.
Pine Tree, dumbass, where the fuck are you looking? Pineapple.
Yeah?
I said Pine Tree!
I thought you meant stop.
What? One 1 minute and 14 seconds, bruv.
Never say
1 minute.
Never say that again in your life, please.
59
please
seconds,
shut up.
bruv.
I'm getting a
You
break.
better not run away. I'm gonna put my little willy in you. Joy, or you're gonna have to get another extra 10 sprouts for the sprout party. No, I am. Yeah, okay, that's an extra 5 because you were still late.
Yeah,
He just commits suicide.
But I'm not shit.
No, you are shit. You are shit. I know.
Yeah, but I'm. Oh yeah, I am annoying.
Tiny guy with fucking that fucking many fucking black big eyes behind him.